Hello, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to bring to you a 2012 Grady-White 283 Canyon. Fantastic boat in great condition. Only 765 hours on the twin Yamaha 250s. In great condition. This boat has never been bottom painted. Always rack stored. As of recent, she sat inside a dry storage facility, out of the sun, out of the Florida elements. White hull sides all the way around. Overall in really great condition, as you can see here in the video. This boat was just detailed, compounded and waxed in October 2025. So she looks great. Fiberglass hardtop. You'll see up on the top we have a open array radar. This boat's extremely well appointed with electronics, as we'll show you here in the video. As we step on board, you have a pull-out bench seat, so that simply drops up and down depending if you're cruising or fishing. Here along the aft transom, we have a insulated fish box, gravity drain, another cooler box off to the port side. You can see all the upholstery on the boat's in nice condition. Under gunnel storage along starboard and port side. Storage here in the leaning post with a sink and a live well. Twin Garmin screens, Yamaha engine gauge, Simrad autopilot, spotlight, Yamaha digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, windlass anchor, stereo controls, everything you need right at your fingertips. This boat does have the isinglass package, so that you can see the side curtains are currently installed, and then we also have wings that'll come down here to the gunnel. Marine head with lots of space and storage inside the console, and then fantastic bow seating up in the front. The forward-facing console seat. This piece here is removable, and then you have nice storage up front as well. Again, this is a 2012 Grady-White 283 Canyon. Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. Feel free to call me on my cell. Be happy to answer any questions or schedule a showing. This boat is at MarineMax Stuart. We look forward to seeing you. 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.